In drafting a letter of complaint, it is advisable to make it brief and up to the point, fine, and state exactly what you want to be done about the product, and also you have to mention till what time you are committed to wait till the problem gets resolved. Okay, so these are the points you have to keep in mind when you are writing a letter of complaint. Now, I would like to explain further. Since letter of complaint is a formal letter, so you have to follow the format of a formal letter only, and you have to incorporate all the valid points that I have discussed in my previous videos. For that, you have to click at the links given in the description, and you can get access to a variety of related videos. Fine, moving further. Now, here I have written content of a letter of complaint. So I have written, now you have to remember one thing in mind, that when you are writing the content part, everything will remain the same as far as format is concerned. Sender's address will come on the top, followed by date, then the receiver's address, then you have to write the subject, salutation, and then comes the content part. Obviously, you have to divide your content into 3 paragraphs, and these 3 paragraphs are of utmost importance. You have to keep that point in mind always. Now, you have to end your letter on a complimentary clause followed by yours truly, and so on and so forth. No need to explain. Now, I have written a brief description as far as letter of complaint is concerned, but here you have to remember that your content will depend on the subject of your letter. Suppose you are planning to complain about a faulty product, your letter, you have to include all these points in your content part. So here I am taking up the content that is, this topic will be, if your topic is, suppose you are talking about complaint about any faulty product, then you have to incorporate all these points in your letter. So paragraph 1. In paragraph 1, you have to introduce yourself. It means you have to write the name of the product, you have to write the bill number, you have to write the product code, and also the place from where you bought your product. So all these things should come in your first paragraph. Fine. Moving on to the second paragraph of the letter. Second paragraph, you have to mention the problems which are there in your product. You have to specify all these problems clearly in your second paragraph. Fine, I hope it is clear. Moving on to the third paragraph. Third paragraph is the concluding paragraph. Here, what you have to write, you have to conclude your letter on a polite note, but before you conclude the letter, you must include, you have to write your expectations from the company. You have to mention your expectations as far as your product is concerned. So the product to be changed or repaired, whether you want your product to be changed, replaced, or you want the same product to be repaired by that particular company. The last one is mention the warranty period as well. Okay? So these are the details that you have to incorporate in your content of the letter of complaint when you are taking up the subject, complaint about a faulty product. Now, your content will always, I would like to reiterate that your content will depend on the subject of the letter. Fine. I hope it is clear to all of you. So, thanks for watching. In my next video, I am going to take up one sample letter, and you will get an idea what is this letter all about. So thanks for watching. That's a wrap for today. Thank you. Take care.